Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Son, all in one, if I, my family, my relatives, and ancestors have offended your family, relatives, and ancestors in thoughts, deeds, or actions from the beginning of our creation to the present, we ask for your forgiveness. Let this cleanse, purify, release, and cut all memories, blocks, negative energies, and vibrations. Transmute these undesirable energies into pure light, and so it is. To cleanse my subconscious of all stored emotional burden, I repeatedly say throughout my day the key words of Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. I declare myself at peace with all people on earth and those with whom I have pending debts. For this moment and in its time, for everything that displeases me in my present life, I am sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. I release all those from whom I believe to be receiving harm and mistreatment because they simply returned to me what I did to them before, in some past life. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. Even if it's difficult for me to forgive someone, I ask for forgiveness to that someone now. For this moment, at all times, for everything that displeases me in my present life, I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. For this sacred space I inhabit every day and with which I am not comfortable, I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. For difficult relationships with only bad memories, I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. For everything that displeases me in my present life, past life, my work, and what surrounds me, divinity cleans in me what contributes to my scarcity. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. If my physical body experiences anxiety, worry, guilt, fear, sadness, pain, I say and think, my memories, I love you. I am grateful for the opportunity to release you and myself. I'm sorry, forgive me. I love you, thank you. At this moment, I affirm that I love you. I think of my emotional health and that of all my loved ones. I love you. For my needs and to learn to wait without anxiety, without fear, I acknowledge my memories here at this moment. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. Beloved Mother Earth, which is who I am, if I, my family, my relatives, and ancestors have mistreated you with thoughts, words, deeds, from the beginning of our creation to the present, I ask for your forgiveness. Let this cleanse and purify, release and cut all memories, blocks, negative energies and vibrations. Transmute these undesirable energies into pure light, and so it is. In conclusion, I say that this prayer is my door, my contribution to your emotional health, which is the same as mine. So be well, and as you heal, I tell you, I'm sorry for the memories of pain I share with you. I ask for forgiveness for joining my path to yours for healing. I thank you for being here in me. I love you for being who you are.